Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel K.S.R English. Now we are going to discuss in assertive sentence how to change from direct speech to indirect speech. Before moving on, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channels for my more videos. Thank you. Now, in the assertive sentence, how to change a sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. Let us see some examples. Here he said, I am a writer. Okay, this is a sentence. First, what is direct speech? Already I told you in the first video. Okay, a sentence which gives actual words of the speaker. Actual words of the speaker quoted without any changes. That is direct speech. Here he said, comma, I am a writer. This is reported part. This one is inverted commas. Okay. This is direct speech. Now we have to change into indirect speech. Okay. He said, this is reported verb. Reporting verb. He said, this is reporting verb. So he. Here reporting verb is in the past tense. Said, it is a past tense. Say, said, said. So when the reporting verb is in the past tense, we have to change the verb tenses. Okay, we have to change the tenses. Now said. Here comma. We have to remove that comma in the indirect speech. Okay, remove. And we must add conjunction that. He said that. Here I. Reporter is he. He said, I am a teacher. So here reporter is he. So I will become he. He. Am. This is a present tense. Is, am, are. These are present tense. Now we have to change into past tense. Okay. Now was or were. He, third person singular. Singular. So here this one is suitable. Was. He was a writer. As you can. A writer. And put comma. So this one is direct speech. Now we change into indirect speech. He said that he was a writer. So indirect speech, a sentence which gives a substance of the direct speech. Okay. So this one is substance of the direct speech. He said that he was a writer. Understand? This one is indirect speech. Let us see one more example. He said, my master is writing letters. Say, he said. So, reporter, he said, remove comma, he said that, and remove inverted commas. Okay, my master. So, he said that my, here my will become his. Okay, possessive. His master. He is writing. He is writing. This one is present continuous tense. So present continuous tense will become past continuous tense. Just in place of is, you can write was writing. So is writing will become was writing. He said that his master was writing letters. This one is indirect speech. This one is direct speech. Okay. Now we change from direct speech to indirect speech. And one more example. He said that, remove comma, remove inverted commas, the horse. Okay. Third person. You can write as it is. The horse. This is not a reporter. Okay. He said that the horse died. This one is past tense. Already discussed. Past tense will become past perfect. So here the horse had died. What is the structure of the past perfect? Had plus V3. So he said that the horse had died in the night. This one indirect speech, ideas. This one direct speech. This is assertive sentence. These are all. Let us see some more examples. Now fourth one. The teacher said to the girl, I know you and your mother. Okay, the teacher said to the girl, I know you and your mother. Here the teacher said to the girl. See, said becomes said. Said to. Okay, when the reporting verb is said to, I have to say told. Because he said to somebody. Okay, the teacher said to the girl. Oh, that's why said to. Okay, here you can say told. So the teacher told. In the place of said to, you have to use told. The girl and remove the comma and put conjunction that. Okay. I know you and your mother. See, this is the first person. I. Who is the reporter? Here, report is teacher. Okay. The teacher told the girl that I. Who is that? Reporter. So, reporter here, I will become he. I know. This is present tense. Present tense will become past tense. I know here knew. He knew. You and your mother. Who is that? The girl. He said to his girl. He told to the girl. So here the girl. You here the girl. Second person. Here the girl. Third person. So the teacher told the girl that he knew. You here become her. And her, your mother. So her mother. This is indirect speech. The teacher told the girl that he knew her and her mother. Indirect speech. Okay, this is indirect speech. Let us see one more example. She said, I have passed the examination. Okay, here only said. So you can write as the she said that, remove that, remove commas. I, who is the reporter? She. So she said that I. So here she have passed the examination. Have passed. present perfect tense. Already I taught in the previous video. Okay, present perfect tense will become past perfect tense. So she had passed the examination. This is an indirect speech. Okay, let us see one more example. He said to me. Okay, same. He told me. Said to. You can say told me that you have made a great mistake in your statement. Okay, you. Who is that? Here, reporter. He told me. See, he told me that you have. You means here he told me. So here me is you. Understand? So me will become I. He told me that I have made. Now had made. He told me that I had made. Okay. A great mistake. A great mistake in your statement. So here my statement. Okay. Now the first person will become like this. Me here will become I, and your mistake will become my mistake. Okay, understand? Because he told me. He told me. First person. He told first person. He told me. So you can change like this.